Ah. Hey, what's up you guys? It's me. So what time na is? 1, 2. Yes. So this is for our banners, freebies. Very small. So ito, paglalagyan natin ng mga banners, yung mga freebies ng mga concert, yung mga nakuha natin ng concert. Ayan, yes. Ang laki niya pala. So let's try kung i-organize. Then ipapakita ko na lang sa next vlog. Or di ko alam kung mapag-komple-komple ko siya. So ayan, napakalaki niya pala. Where's the gunting Zoe? So next here, the pinakamaliit. So bawal natin pa siya gano'n kasi alo guys, this is the boy next door. Oh, hindi siya lupa. What's this? Freebies? Yan, sa'yo na yan. Because aattend tayo ng Boy Next Door concert on Saturday. Oh my God, inoob ang tao. So someone comment that she said that you need to speak English. So yes, I'm speaking English right now. So because I post, hala, tutorial on how to secure a concert ticket. Then may nag-comment dyan. So yeah, so for this video, we're gonna unboxing it. Oh my, this is my first ever Boy Next Door photo card. Oh my God, Zoe, oh my God, Zoe. Oh my God, Ryu, Songhu.
Best friend din na.
Anong Ryu? Jayon, anong Jayon? Tisan. Oh my God, that phone. Han. Wanak. Photo card. Why did you know that this is a photo card? Kasi blue ang team ng Boy Next Door, right? Oh my God. So this is my first. So next, dahil atin nga tayo ng Boy Next Door concert. So this is the last. So, di ko alam kung kailan darating yung cheering kit ko. Nagpagawa ko ng cheering kit sa glitter. Oh my God. So weird. Oh, this shirt?
Ganito yung sabi mo.
Ha?
Ganito yun.
No, yes. Guys, so ito ni Wonak. Kapatid ko, yan. Guys, so ito ni Wonak. So, ipapakita na lang yung picture. Ito yung picture. Oh my God, new angle. Guys, this is a new day. New day, new success, new vlog, new film, new me. Alam, OA talaga. Ayan, so for this video, may dumating kasi na parcel and late na siya dumating. And after na to, pero isasama ko na siya dito na vlog na to, sa unboxing, sa mga Shopee, ganyan. Para 6 minutes lang ganyan, para mahaba naman. So yeah, so dumating ito. So what's this? Lowe. It's me. Lowe. So ayan, so this is a cheering kit. Gawa ako. Yes, this is oy ba talaga? So guys, have you ever seen? Oh, did you see my hair? Like, it's so right, diba? It's so God. It's a beautiful night. Hi. So ayan guys, balak ko to, dapat dadating to sa concert. Kaso, na siya dumating. Pa natin siya. Alam ko ito yung cheering kit kasi packaging niya nung nag-cheering kit ako nung Zero Base 1. Pero alam niyo ba, dala ko siya ng Zero Base 1. Dumating siya ng exact. Hindi naman sa exact. Baka 2 days before the concert. Pero ano siya, ang daming kwento talaga. Hindi ko siya na-picturean, naiwan ko siya sa van. Yes, I forgot in the van. In the van. Hanapin na natin. Right? I told you. So cute, right? This is my outfit on Boy Next Door. Oh my God, pwede ko ba siyang hawakan? Like, magko-color ata siya. Hindi siya pwedeng hawakan. Like, paano ba? I think I'm using this. I'm using with my another hand. Did you see? Pangit talaga. No! It's so cute. Wana. I don't know where, like this ba? Like this or baliktad? I don't know what's the... And my name. And yeah. It's so cute. It's so cute, right? It's so cute. Then this is my outfit. And Boy Next Door, I will flash the picture, yes. So yeah, so this is the video. So I'm saying bye-bye. I love you all. Wow.